Here's another thing to think about when you've got the tack strip. Let's say, I mean, obviously I decided to take the tack strip out for a few different reasons that I've told you from before. But now it makes it a lot easier when I sweep off the floor and stuff. I can get right underneath that edge nice and easy with the broom, can't I? But if you decide to leave your tack strip, I would still try to sweep in there the best I could. Then that's when the vacuum comes in with the nice pointy vacuum attachment to get all the different things that are out from underneath that ledge, that lip, you know, down by the floor. Okay, that's if you're leaving your tack strip down. And then even when I get done with this, do I want to be anal enough to run my vacuum with the attachment on there? And I probably will, because I've got a trick. I think I have a trick that I want to show you when I get ready to do that. So keep watching. So I thought, you know what? I'll just bring it up at this point. If you're gonna save your tack strip and you think your tack strip is okay, or a few of the rooms you've decided to pull the tack strip, and other rooms you've decided not to pull the tack strip out, I'm going to sweep up all this floor from scraping up all this different stuff off the floor and all that kind of stuff. I don't want to paint over this. I like to keep my job sites nice and clean. When people come in, they don't see all this stuff and think I'm a rag muffin or something. And so I'm going to sweep it all up and make it look acceptable. And then I can kind of check out different areas and see if I need to do anything else to the floor. You know, at this point, I'm not gonna work much more than just sweeping everything up and throwing it away. And then I'll do it once over. You know, like I said before, I'll check for squeaks, I'll check for nails protruding up, different areas where maybe the nails need to be pounded down all the way, maybe a few places to put screws, obviously, where I find squeaks. And I found one other squeak too that I wouldn't have found had I not been aware of it. And so I'll take care of that too. And I'll show you how to fix squeaks on a floor on another episode. All right, back to work I go. Hey, if your back starts getting sore, no problem. Put your knee pad down and just work off the floor. I'm actually resting a little bit right now, just because I'm doing it this way. Yes, of course, I've got my back support brace on, my knee brace on. And most of the time when I get down onto the floor or doing anything, I carry my trusty knee pad around. I just slide it around, you know, wherever I need it to go. You'll understand why once you start doing stuff on your own. Okay. Well, what am I going to talk about next time? What's our next episode going to be about, or maybe 2 episodes from now or so? Well, I'll talk to you all about my escapades with the plumber. We had a plumber come over here the other day, And we're gonna have him back tomorrow. He's gonna be putting in a tankless water heater for us, and I'll talk to you all about that, why he's not gonna fix the existing gas water heater, and all the different other things that we found out about some plumbing issues having to do with this condo. Okay, so keep watching. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.